What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. My email is darthdividend@gmail.com. If you would like me to review your M1 Finance dividend portfolio, I'll be glad to do that. I have some free time right now. I'll kind of do a in-depth stock and dividend analysis. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but I can look at it, can tell me what your strategy is and what you want to do. I can look over your M1 Finance portfolio and tell you some mistakes that I did, in the beginning, and I don't mind posting a video on that right now. So that's one thing that I wanted to really enhance with my YouTube channel. Again, I don't believe in charging anyone. So that's why I keep on going. If you guys subscribe, hit the notification bell, and smash that like button every video, the more you guys do that, the more videos I post, especially in stocks that I own, show you the changes that I make to my dividend portfolio. And I show you my journey to or towards making a $100,000 dividend portfolio. So those are the things that I plan on doing. Again, I'm right at $279.73 in earned dividends. I'm up 74.61%. And the sky's the limit right now. I'm going to show you in depth of what I did today. First of all, I picked up some extra shifts. I threw in, basically, I earned 91 cents from AGNC monthly dividend stock. I earned $6.38 in ExxonMobil. I decided to throw in $165 today. Show you what I got. I got Brookfield Infrastructure Partners, Seagate Technology, a Healthcare Trust of America, Arcadia Realty Trust, a little bit of AT&T, some Pembina Pipeline, Enbridge. I just did a stock and dividend analysis video on that, so make sure you check that out. That will be in the top right-hand corner, and I'm going to put that in my comment section. Plymouth Industrial Rate, that's kind of a little bit of a new rate. It's down. I'm going to be a little bit aggressive with a high yield. British Tobacco, Pfizer. I'm planning on doing a video right after this with Pfizer. A lot of people in Robinhood are freaking out. And I really want to show you what you can get out of Pfizer, maybe even show you an alternative to that. So, it just depends on what your goals are. So I plan on posting a video about Pfizer. What I like about Pfizer. Again, it's like my third or fourth video, but there's so many things that Pfizer brings to the table. And I literally just bought chapstick today. My lips are, I was in line at the grocery store, and I'm like, oh, it's killing me. Right away, I saw chapstick, and guess what? Pfizer owns pretty much chapstick. So that's a fantastic product. So don't forget that. Pfizer doesn't just, they're not just a pharmaceutical company. They carry a lot of products. Slow growth, good dividends, just increased its dividend. I'm going to post a video about that. I'm really excited about that. Fastenal, Omega Healthcare Advisors, Maxim Integrated Products. I wanted to expand a little bit in the semiconductor industry, so I capitalized on these guys. Hormel Foods. I mean, look, Hormel Foods, again, there's so many things with these guys as a company. One of them, myself being a registered nurse, people who have dysphagia or swallowing issues, after they get a barium swallow is kind of like you swallow like some dye, and you check in an x-ray, see if it pretty much goes down the right pipe, because people are at risk of aspiration pneumonia or getting pneumonia, like choking on stuff. And guess what? Hormel Foods actually has nectar thick and honey thicken stuff that are recommended by the speech language pathologist and radiologist when they collaborate. And that's really exciting to just see that Hormel Foods just isn't about foods, it's about helping people, with puree type diets. And I'm really excited every time I see that label. It makes me so glad that I invested in this company and I believe in it. Spirit Realty Capital and Altria. Again, as I said in my previous video with Altria, you got to check this out if you're new to my channel. People don't care. They're going to smoke. It doesn't matter how much you educate them. Altria is also expanding into the vaping. They're looking at the cannabis industry. This stock is going nowhere. It's just going to be, it'll probably be at a stagnant price, increase its dividend over time. If you're a dividend investor, you can't say no to these guys. Okay. So let me just show you how things are looking right now. So we're going to go to the holdings real quick. 31 positions. So Arcadia Realty Trust. Again, I'm going to go back to my new section that I'm really attacking right now. Arcadia Realty Trust, I just have like one share. Another one share. Plymouth, I got 2. AGNC 7. Got my business development company, Stellus Capital Investment. I got 10 shares in that. Gain, I got 22 shares in that. Westrock, I only got 6. Now they kind of like slash the dividend a little bit, so I was like, nah, okay, I'll put it lower, I'll get it higher, eventually. Hormel Foods, I'm almost at 6. Unilever, 5.22. ExxonMobil, I think I need to get a little bit more in ExxonMobil. Pembina Pipeline, Enbridge, Brookfield Infrastructure Partners. I should probably get a little bit more with them. Another, stock that I need to attack a little bit. Spirit Realty Capital and Omega Healthcare Investors. These guys are down. The real estate sector is down. I need to capitalize on that. First Energy as well. I am not a fan of this company. And again, you shouldn't let your emotions get the best of you. These guys are a big company. They own, the First Energy Stadium for the Browns. Go Browns tonight, by the way. I'm going to be excited to watch them play the Ravens. Who knows what will happen. But, it's really exciting. First Energy is a powerful organization. I'm going to tell you, it's down. One of the guys I work with, he's into dividend stocks too. He's a nurse practitioner. He always asks me what's good, what did I buy? I showed him First Energy as well as Enbridge. I kind of keep my stuff low key with people that I know. I just, I don't know. It's just one of those things. Like, I'm not going to force someone to watch my videos, but I know some of my people in personal life want to see some of these videos. I just kind of keep this separate a little bit. I just tell them what I buy and why I like it. So I provide my rationales to you guys to why I buy stocks. And again, I'm not going to charge you. I don't believe in Patreon charging you to tell you what I'm buying. I want to share you wisdom. I really want you to make passive income. My philosophy is to have you learn from some of my mistakes and some things that I invested in. That way, this could maybe help you or wake up, give you a wake up call with your stocks. First Energy, it's down. What is it right now? Is it $27.49 average price? Hold on, let's look at that. Hold on, $30.53. 5.04% dividend yield. It's down. It has increased its dividend over time. It's an empire. It owns a lot of stuff. Okay, a lot of energy right here. It's ranked 219 in the Fortune 500, the largest corporations in the United States by revenue. Okay, so I just want to let you know that these guys are a very powerful stock. High dividend. Now, they have some shady stuff going on. So, they're going to be down. Look at them going down. Negative press. People are freaking out about them. Look at this. Negative press. Look what's going on. 2020. The bug hit. Negative press. Might want to look into that. Watch my video that I have discussed on that. So really, that's kind of what's going on really with my portfolio. Again, the real estate sector, business development companies. Once I got to $10,000, I needed to attack certain sectors. So I'm going after the real estate sector because it's so down. Stocks like Iron Mountain, some of these business development companies, AGNC, I was like anti-AGNC. They're booming right now. These rates, kind of new. HTA, AKR, and PLYM. I'm considering doing a stock and dividend analysis on these. guys that are underground and why I put them in my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. So let me know what you think. The dividends are rolling. Again, if you want me to check out your M1 Finance pie, I have no problem doing that. Just looking at after it, critiquing. There's one person that I discussed back and forth about looking at a dividend portfolio. So I'm going to have his expert opinion. I think we'll possibly do a collaboration on that. I might look over his, he might look over mine. So I'm kind of excited for that. I have a few things in mind. I'm going to contact a few people that are kind of popular with this dividend investing community and possibly do a collaboration video with them in person. So I'm really excited on a few things that I will do. And of course, I'm going to post that in the comment section with potentially us doing a collaboration video together. I think that would be fun. I think, it's good to, catch up with these guys. I know them personally, so it's one thing that I'm looking into. So, especially after I get vaccinated, I do plan on getting vaccinated hopefully this week with Pfizer. There you go, Pfizer. But see how things go. So, but I like what I see, 74.46 return, $279.73. Threw money in the bank. What would happen if I threw it in the bank, guys? What, a 1%, 0.1% return? I don't think so. Look at this. 74.46 return, putting money in the stock market in my dividend portfolio. $2,588.32, just parking my money and leaving it alone. $279.73 of passive income, which obviously I reinvested into my dividend portfolio. Look what is going on. One more time. Oop, wrong thing. One more time. I got, where we go? Activity holdings. What am I doing? Okay, there we go. Sorry about that. $6.38 from ExxonMobil, passive income. 91 cents passive income. Put money in, look at this, reinvesting. These are buying some of these. So sky's the limit. I mean, I'm not even at $20,000 and I'm excited to see this grow. Each week I throw $65 in if I get a little bit more ambitious. I'm waiting on my sign-on bonus in a few days, have some decisions to make. Should I do my Roth IRA or should I just throw it in my dividend portfolio? There's some choices I got to make. So I'm excited about that. It's always good to have multiple sources of income. Okay. So the thing is, I don't believe, again, I have emphasized this numerous times. I saw an article that families, okay, that are like close to retirement, only $100,000 in their 403B or 401k. Is that enough? What happens if you have $100,000 here? Okay, I have $100,000 here. I have $100,000 in my 403B or 401k. I get money out with my 403B or 401k. I have this dividend portfolio. I'm getting passive income. I'm getting dividends. I'm getting a raise. I'm basically getting a raise over time. So do you guys see what I mean? Having multiple sources of income. Sure, I'm making money on YouTube. Big deal. This is more important. You know what? Something can happen with YouTube. I'm following the rules, obviously, with monetization. But look, this is what I want to do. I want to show you guys what's going on. Okay, I'm $279. Okay, I could have went to a bar, spent $279. I could have went on an expensive dinner, spent $279. No, I busted my ass just like you guys to earn this. This is what it takes. I'm telling you guys. I always go by this phrase, and I always post this in my community section. Fight the way that you train the way you fight. The little things you do in life, it pays off. You bust your ass, you study on exams, put that extra effort in. Your friends are going out drinking, you're working on a paper, you're picking up overtime just to throw in, buy about 5 or 6 shares, let the compound interest kick in. That's what happens, okay? The effort you put in, it pays off in the long run. It's almost guaranteed in the stock market with dividends. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't like to make guarantees or anything, but you're almost getting yourself a raise, okay? Your dividends increase over time. You buy more shares, okay? Things pay off. I'm at $12,000 with my dividend portfolio. I'm not even close to 100, and I'm starting to see what I like, okay? That's from putting the effort in, putting the time in, investing, um, being frugal. I mean, look, I finished stuff with grad school or something like that, and could I go out every day and get sloshed? Yeah. You know what? But I don't want to do that. I want to work out, focus, spend on myself, health, taking care of myself, buying cheap, stuff, meal prepping, putting the effort in to get to 100,000. So I'm sure you guys have the same mentality. This is what it takes. There's going to be people that you run into in life that don't put an effort in. They don't want to take that next step. Look, I have friends over here, you know, guys and girls, nothing goes on with the girls, just good friends. You sit them down, it's like, what do you want in life? You have a real talk, like, what do you want to do in life? If you would have asked me this 5 years ago, I would have just told you I'm going to be a nurse practitioner, and that's it. Okay, but what else? So I woke up in 2018. How can I make extra income? I started to get a little nervous looking into this 403b, 401k. Is it enough? Okay, am I going to have $1 million in my retirement um, portfolio? Is $1 million enough? What happens if the stock market goes down? So you wake up, and you guys that are watching this channel woke up, and I really applaud you guys for knowing what it takes to adapt and figure out why you're doing this. You have a purpose, okay? Now, nothing's more satisfying than having a purpose and fighting for that goal. You have something to fight for, so just remember that. So let me know what you think of this video. Happy Monday. What stocks did you buy? And again, my email is going to be in the comment section for if you would like for me to do a stock and dividend analysis on your M1 finance portfolio. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. Don't take anything personally when I do this. I'm just going to tell you what I do, what I like about it. There's maybe some changes that you could do, but it's just my opinion. So that's pretty much it. And I'm gonna make a Pfizer video. One more thing of Pfizer for you Robinhood crazy maniacs to wake up and realize that Pfizer is a dividend stock. Just focus on it being a dividend stock. So thank you again, and have a good one.